get into the unboxing. So, what do we have here? So this is terminal. This is a GIS handheld terminal, model Audi C20. So it comes with the box. So this is the Runione handheld. So let's see other things that came with it. So it came with flash. Wow, double flash. There's a strap. There's a battery. Okay, this is a charger. It uses a rechargeable battery. This is a Type-C USB cord. So USB to Type-C cord. USB to Type-C cord with the charger adapter. This is a strap. So how do we install the battery? Right here, you see an indicator here. You see an indicator here. So the indicator on the left is on lock, on the right is lock. So it's saying rotate to the left if you want to unlock. So you have to rotate until you do the same thing on the second side. So now you pull from this side, and then you have it open. So it has slot for memory card. So you will install the battery this way. Then you will go clockwise to lock. So the power button is up. This is the navigation button. This is a location icon, which means it's more likely to be a button that you use in picking point. This is a menus button, back button, options button. So let's on it by holding down. Okay. So this is how it loads. So once you put it on, it's going to indicate that there's a trial, a 30 minutes trial. So it's not a touch screen. I thought it's a touch screen, but it's not a touch screen. So you select the middle button. So these are the icons and the options in the. This is where you go to do settings. You do settings for satellite. Do settings for coordinate system. And go. Let me just return my cursor. Let me just return it back to Gas Cougar. You do your other settings, unit. So let's see what is in map. Okay, I think map is where it shows you where you are, like and I think it's also where you pick your coordinate system. But right now we are indoors. It's not going to be able to track accurately since we are indoors. So this is the Runione handheld GPS, the Chinese product. So let me know what you think about it. Thank you.